Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in today's video we are going to understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for furniture business. So here let's assume that I have a furniture business and to promote it I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in a Google Sheet. So now to do this I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using this amazing integration and automation software, that is Pabbly Connect. So now to do this, here my trigger application will be Facebook and my action application will be Google Sheets. So if you want to learn more about this integration, follow me through the screen. In this video, we are going to understand how to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for furniture business. So here let's assume that I have a furniture business and to promote it, I'm using Facebook lead ads. So here my objective is that whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in my Google Sheet. So now to do this, I need to build an integration between these two applications, for which I will be using Pabbly Connect. So this here is the home page of Pabbly Connect. So as an existing user, I'm going to sign in. But if you are a new user, you can click on the sign up for free button and every month you will get 100 tasks for free. So as an existing user, I'm signing in. Now this here is the all applications page by Pabbly. So here I will go to Pabbly Connect and click on access now to reach my dashboard. So this here is my dashboard, and now to create a new workflow, I will go to my right hand side corner and click on this create workflow button. So now in this dialog box appearing, I need to give my workflow a name. So here I've named it as add Facebook leads to Google Sheets. And on my left hand side, you can see that these are the folders which I have created before. So I want to save this workflow in the folder named as Facebook lead ads. And now here I'm going to click on create. So as I did that, here you can see I have arrived on a very important window which consists of trigger and action. Basically, trigger and action are the two most important principles or concepts of Pabbly Connect on which this entire automation and integration will depend. Trigger says when this happens, action says do this. So action is an automated response of your trigger application, and in a workflow you can only have one trigger but multiple action applications. So now moving to my use case, that is to add Facebook leads to Google Sheets for furniture business. So here in my trigger window, as I'm promoting my furniture business with the help of Facebook lead ads, so Facebook lead ads will be my trigger application. And now the trigger event will be new lead instant. So the moment I'm going to receive a new lead, then this workflow is going to run automatically. So now moving to my action window. So as I want to add the lead details in a Google Sheet, so here Google Sheet will be my action application. And now the action event will be to add new row. So here you can see that as I've selected my action application and the action event along with my trigger application and the trigger event. So here my objective is to add the Facebook leads to Google Sheet. That means now whenever I'm going to receive a new lead through Facebook lead ads, then I want to add the lead details in Google Sheets. So in order to do that, firstly I need to establish a connection between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm simply going to click on connect. So now to add a new connection, as I have already logged into my Facebook account in one of the tabs, here I am going to click on connect. And you can see that the authorization was successful. So here you can see Pabbly Connect and Facebook lead ads is connected. So now moving to page and the lead gen form. So here I need to select the page that I've created for my business and the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So this here is the page that I've created for my business, that is by the name of Irma Furniture Store. So here in Pabbly Connect, firstly I'm going to search for my page as Irma Furniture Store. Here it is. So once I've selected my page, now I need to select the lead gen form that is associated with my page. So here in Meta Business Suite, these three are the lead ads form, and now I want to use this lead ad form that is by the name of Irma Furniture Contact Form New. So here this is how the form looks like. So as the name suggests, that is Irma Furniture Contact Form New. So here in Pabbly Connect, from the drop down, I'm going to select the same. So after selecting the page and the lead gen form associated with it, here I'm going to click on save and send test request. So here you can see that as I did that, here it is waiting for a webhook response. That means now I need to do a test submission or record so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So now to do a test submission, I'm going to this new tab and here I'm going to search for Meta for Developers. I will go to the page. And here in Meta for Developers, I will go to My Apps. And under My Apps, I will go to Tools. And under Developer Tools, I will go to this Lead Ads RTU Debug tool. So this here is the lead ads testing tool, and this tool is going to test our integration. So here you can create a test lead to confirm that your integration is set up to receive data correctly. So now from this page drop down, I'm going to search for my page that is by the name of Arma Furniture Store. So here I'm searching for it and here it is. So now moving to the form. So here the form will be Arma Furniture Contact New Form. I'm going to select it and now here I'm going to click on Preview Form. So this here is the lead gen form and here I filled the details of full name, phone number and email. So here I'm going to click on Next. Now I'm going to click on Submit. So here you can see that it says thanks, you're all set. Your test lead has been sent. That means the test lead which I have just created would have been captured in Pabbly Connect. So taking you to Pabbly Connect. And here you can see that I've just received a response. Here is the full name, here is the phone number, here is the email, here is the created date and time, along with some other details. That means the test lead which I've just created is successfully captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So the first step of this automation is set up. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically that lead will get captured over here in Pabbly Connect. So this trigger will instantly capture the new incoming data and the workflow execution will start in real time. So as I've got the test lead details here in Pabbly Connect, now I want to add the test lead details in my Google Sheet. So in order to do that, firstly I need to establish a connection between Google Sheet and Pabbly Connect. So here I'm going to click on Connect. And now to add a new connection, I will simply sign in with my Google account. So here I'm going to click on Allow as this is a secure access. So now here you can see that Google Sheets and Pabbly Connect is successfully connected. So now moving to the select spreadsheet and the select sheet part. So this here is the Google Sheet which I have created. So here the name of this Google Sheet is Facebook Leads New and it consists of 3 columns and of 1 sheet. So the 3 columns are for email, name and the phone number. So the name of this Google Sheet is Facebook Leads New. So here I want to add the Facebook lead details. So here in Pabbly Connect from this drop down, I'm going to select the spreadsheet as Facebook Leads New. And now here you can see that the selected sheet is sheet 1 automatically. So now moving to lead email, lead name and the phone number. So to mention these details, here I'm going to use the method of mapping. So basically mapping is to insert the data from previous step. So as I've received a response from Facebook lead ads, so here I'm going to map the email. Now I'm going to map the lead name and now I'm going to map the lead phone number. So here you can see that I have mapped the details. This method of mapping is important so that every time you receive a new response with new data, so that data can be taken into consideration in these fields. If I would have written this information manually, in that case this information would have become static, which means that it wouldn't change even if I would have received a new response. So to avoid that problem, we map the information. So now here I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request. And here you can see that I have received a response and this here is a positive response. So now I'm going to take you to my Google Sheet. So here in this Google Sheet, you can see that in a new row, the details of the test lead which I have just created is successfully added. Here is the lead email, here is the lead name and here is the phone number. So this integration and automation is a successful one. That means now whenever a new lead will be received through Facebook lead ads, then automatically the lead details will be added in Google Sheets in a new row. Not just these applications, you can integrate a lot more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. So if you have any doubts regarding Pabbly, reach us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can visit us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related query, you can visit this link. So if you like this video, please share it with your friends and colleagues and do not forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.